Yeah, that's the mother. And the young ones are over there. Two there. One more somewhere else. I don't see where it is.
Way up in Regina now.
Regina?
Yeah.
What's he doing up there?
Oh, he works.
Well, all good things must come to an end. As we head out of town, we're going to show you around a little by showing you the marina, and then we'll head over to the north side of the bay and show you a few boats over there. Gamble River is coming up on the right hand side. Just look at how low the water is. Top of the hill here is Joey's Lookout, rest area. Beautiful view. Hope you enjoy it. We just pulled off at the Joey Smallwood rest area, looking over Gamble. What an amazing view we have. But just look how low the river is.
That's beautiful. There's a really big beaver dam.
Yeah. Beaver house.
That's no house, it's a condominium. The day we cross is supposed to be rain the whole day.
Sorry.
Tomorrow it's supposed to rain in the evening. Hang on. It says the wind right now is west southwest 12 miles per hour, but it's more than that.
Way more than that. If you would like to see more video content like this, give it a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Another couple weeks from now, this valley is going to be beautiful when all the leaves change to their fall colors. I'm sorry we're going to miss it. Up ahead here on the right-hand side, I apologize, I quickly turned the camera to catch the low water levels in the river. Unbelievably low.
Not one of them wave?
Yeah, one fellow did.
No. Yeah, we'll go back that way. This is a provincial park I told you about.
Oh,
Green
okay.
Valley Provincial Park.
Okay.
Nice. Watch where you're going, Morris.
This is Newfoundland's hidden gem. We spent about 4 hours on this beach and loved every minute. If you would like to see more video content like this, give it a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.